From the trailhead in Kandy, we hiked to Australian Camp. We took a bit of a rest, and from there we hiked up to New Pittum, Deurali.
So this is the way we're heading up here. It looks steep, but you got a lot of trees and roots to grab a hold of, so it's not too bad. Yeah, it's getting it's hot now that it's in the afternoon, and possibility of rain.
Yes.
So it's a good chance we'll spend the night here. No sense pushing. We got lots of time, and what a beautiful hike we had today. It was a lot of uphill, but a lot of just gradual through the jungle. It was just lovely. I really recommend this trek. I can't believe it. And the first time I've done it in the Annapurna region. I've been here so many times, but this is the first time. Nashjil's the one who told me about this. He said that I should do it.
Yeah.
He said it was short and sweet, like he is. Okay, I'm here at the new Pittum Deurali Guesthouse and Restaurant, and I'm here with the owner. And this is a great establishment. They have really good food. Their coffee is delicious. The beds, oh my God, they're so comfortable. There must be 6 inches of mattresses on their bed. And they have a proper sit-down toilet, which us old people with old knees really appreciate. So I'm going to ask, can you tell us your name, sir?
My name is Lakshman Glum, sir.
Lakshman Glum.
Yeah.
And where are you originally from?
It's Landruk, sir.
Landruk?
Yeah.
And how long did you live in Landruk?
Maybe 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
And then where did you?
Yeah. Then going to Pokhara. Then raining also there Pokhara. Then now I age is 50 years.
Mm-hmm.
Then come back here. Then business.
And built this?
Yeah.
Now, when did you build this hotel?
This is 3 years ago, sir.
3 years ago, so before the pandemic?
Yes.
Okay. Business must be slow during the pandemic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, now, you told me you were married?
Yeah, I am married.
Yeah, and children?
Just one daughter or son.
One daughter and a son.
Yeah.
Oh, good for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I just want to thank you for your hospitality. It was really nice staying here.
Thank you, sir.
And I wish you all the luck.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
From New Pittum, Deurali, we hiked to Forest Camp. It took us roughly 4 hours.
What? You have a beautiful view here.
Thank you.
That's Annapurna?
South.
Annapurna South.
Hiuchuli.
Oh, yeah.
Side. Machhapuchhre, Fishtail.
Oh, yes. On the other side of the tree. This is a new guest house.
Yeah, new guest house.
Yes. How many years have you been here?
Just now, 1 year.
1 year.
I'm before, in Landruk,
Yes.
in next village.
Yeah.
I'm there.
Oh.
Same name,
Yeah.
Guras guest house.
Oh, yes.
But we bring here now.
Yeah. Thank you. When you're hiking on this trek, you'll notice the white and blue markers that indicates that you're on the Mardi Himal Trail. So, heading up here. It's just a gradual uphill. It's, yeah, Nepali flat. New steps here for what looks like toilets or showers. Yeah. Forest camp. How about how much longer to forest camp? 2 hours to get to forest camp from here. Yeah. This looks like a deserted lumber mill. That's where the man on top, one end of the saw, and the man down below with the other end of the saw, saws up the planks.
That one is Gandrup, the village.
Let me see if I can zoom in on that.
It's a big village.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
We've been there before, haven't we?
Yeah, we passed through this village. Yeah.
Many
I love
times.
this village. I don't know why, but I love to go there.
Yes.
Yeah. The people are so friendly, I think.
Yeah.
And the culture, the people from there, the Gurung, you know, the Gurung. Gurung, most of the peoples from the army, Gorkha's army, I think.
Oh, the Gorkha army.
I think so.
Yeah.
But now they build a fancy hotel there for business.
Okay.
Not like before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But nice food, nice room, clean room, good environment. From there you see Annapurna South, Hiuchuli, Fishtail also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, Nesha. What village is this?
This place called Forest Camp.
Forest Camp?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we're stopping for lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
So
20 after 12.
around 4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hours coming through, and we really went slow
Yeah, and relax.
and relaxed. Yeah. So we're going to have lunch here and see how we feel.
Yeah.
Okay. Forest Camp. 2,555 meters above sea level. This is the guest house we stayed in last night in the village of Forest Camp. Beautiful place. Okay, here I am with the owner of the Mardi Gate Hotel and Restaurant, and we had a good night here last night. Good food, good coffee. They have a Western toilet and very comfortable beds, by the way, very comfortable beds. And I'm talking to the owner here, and could you tell us what your name is, please?
My name is Himal Casey.
Himal Casey.
Yeah.
And how long have you owned this hotel?
I'm only 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
2 years. Are you originally from this area?
Yeah, I am a local.
Oh, you're a local person. Okay. And I understand you're married?
Yeah, I am married.
You're married, and so you and your wife run this hotel.
Yeah,
You have any children?
yeah.
Yes.
Two children.
Two?
Yeah.
A boy, girl?
Yeah, boy. Girl.
Boy and a girl. Oh, good for you. Good for you.
From Forest Camp, We hiked through rest camp and low camp, then finished the day in Badal. Yeah, we just left forest camp. Now where are we heading this morning?
We are heading to low camp.
Low camp.
After that we are going to Badal.
Badal. Now how long will it take us to get to low camp?
From here to low camp, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Maximum 2 hours.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Welcome.
Listen to the birds singing. We just arrived at rest camp. It took us about 45 minutes to come up there from forest camp. Nice place to stop to have a rest, drink of water, maybe a cup of tea if you're so inclined. Still have a ways to go today. Beautiful views. And the cloud is thinning a little bit, but down here in the valley it's quite hazy.
Hi.
Hi, good to see you again.
Good to see you again. How's things going?
Oh, good. We're on our way up.
Okay.
How come you're heading back?
Well, we are not planning to stay longer, so we are walking down.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are trying to reach Pokhara tonight.
Okay.
Possibly.
Oh, that's a long haul.
Yeah.
That's a long hike.
Yeah.
Well-
All right.
Yeah, well, good luck.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Okay, bye.
You too.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Good morning.
Morning. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. Where are you planning on going today?
Today we're gonna stop by high camp,
High camp.
and tomorrow morning, like, gonna wake up around 3 a.m.
3
We're
a.m.
gonna trek to viewpoint. Hopefully, you'll get the amazing view of the Himal.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Okay, that's good.
I'm willing to stay extra day if I don't see the view tomorrow,
Okay.
but I hope to see it.
Yeah. When do you have to be back in San Francisco? Because I hear you're from San Francisco.
April 4th,
April 4th. Oh, you got lots of time.
just a few days.
Yeah.
I want to spend some time with my family when I go back to Kathmandu.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Okay, that's great.
that's the plan.
Yeah, well, it's good seeing you again.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy your trek.
Thank you. Yeah, same to you. You too.
Okay.
All right. See you.
See ya.
See you on the road.
See you on the road. Low camp. Hey, Nashil,
Yes, please, sir.
is this low camp we're coming into?
This is not low camp. 45 minutes further from here.
Oh, yes. What's this place?
Kamkiku Rescue Camp. Kamkiku Rescue Camp.
Rescue camp.
Yeah, rescue camp.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
What's your name?
My name is Prajwal Chowdhury. I'm of the owner of this hotel, and this hotel just newly opened. It's been 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah, it's built 3 years. Before this construction, I just sell tea, lunch, breakfast, but it's for the clients increase here. I thought I have to make another accommodation as well,
Okay.
and I finally decided to build 3 room.
Mhm.
I have 3 room here. Here it's for my room space. Here gonna around
Oh, it looks beautiful.
20 people can sleep here.
20.
20, yeah.
Oh, that's
Because there I have 2 dormitory room and 1 separate room. There can sleep 3 people in the separate room, and there around 7 people can sleep each room.
okay. That's lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
When you come here, you're going to have a beautiful view, and hopefully it won't be a hazy day like we had today, but I'm assured that when this haze blows away, you'll have unbelievable views. It's a beautiful hike. I mean, the jungle here, and there's one of the rhododendron flowers, a nice pink one. Beautiful. Hey Nashil,
Yes, please, sir.
what's this village we're coming into here?
This is Badal Danda.
Danda. Oh, that's where we're headed.
Yes,
What's the altitude here?
3,300 meters.
3,300. Yeah, this is high enough.
Yeah,
Okay, oh, namaste. Okay, thank you, Nashil.
welcome, sir.
Nashil, those guest houses up there.
Yeah, we are going there.
Oh, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
Okay to go there?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
going to be a beautiful view.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my God. Oh, this is going to be great. We're up here in the clouds. Hopefully tomorrow morning it'll be nice and clear and we'll be able to see the views. I'm told this is unbelievable views from up here. But anyways, we're going to have a lunch and have a bit of a rest and take it easy.
Best view ever.
Good morning. I'm here with the owner of the Hotel 360 Degree, best view ever. And I've been here for 3 nights, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful hotel. They have great food. He has a chef. I don't know where he stole him from, but he's really good. But anyways, can you tell us what your name is?
Osman Ali.
Kosamon Ali?
Yeah.
And how long have you owned this hotel up here?
3 years.
3 years. 3 years. And can you just tell us some of the services that you supply here? Like I know I get Wi-Fi, a really good Wi-Fi, electricity,
Yeah, electricity.
and that's solar, right?
Yeah, solar.
Solar
But
solar
in
power.
water it's the good
Yeah,
power.
yeah, yeah. And the rooms are really comfortable.
Yeah.
The mattress has got to be 6 inches thick.
Yeah.
My God, I sleep some good in here.
Heater also.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, namaste.
Namaste. Now,
I'm in Badal, Danda.
Badal.
Yeah, 3,200 meter.
Beautiful area here.
It is.
And it's
So
a
I would
lovely
like
view.
to welcome to all the guests to
Okay.
see the beautiful view,
Okay.
and then I could get more jobs with people.
You're the brother of the hotel owner,
It is.
and you're also a guide.
Yes.
Now, do you guide mainly in this region, or do you guide all over Nepal?
Mainly this region and all Nepal too.
Okay. Now, you've done the Annapurna
Yes.
Annapurna Base Camp.
Everest Base Camp, Kanchenjunga Base Camp, Manasulu Base Camp, almost all base camp around here.
Okay.
Around here in Nepal.
All right. And if somebody needs to get a hold of you, how do they contact you?
Yeah, I have a phone number.
Okay. I'll post that in the information on this video.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
They say this guy's here making sand. He's got a few bags here already. This is how you make sand.
कसरी दिन्छ नि गाजर खाना खाएर 1200 खाना खाएर 1200 दिनको
Ask him what he used the sand for.
to build a house, you know.
Oh, to build a house?
Yeah. No, not the house, but he's currently building a hotel.
So they use this for the cement?
Yeah.
For making concrete? Okay.
दिनको 1200 दिन्छ नि घर जानुभन्दा हप्तामा एकचोटि घर गइन्छ घर चाहिँ कहाँ हो नि हजुरको मेरो एक तल सिडिङमै हो सिडिङमा हो
Hey, Nestio.
Yes, please, sir.
Is this the high camp we're headed to?
Yes, sir, this is high camp.
All right. That didn't take long.
Not so long, yeah.
Yeah. What's the altitude up here, do you know?
Yeah, between 3,500 to 3,600.
Okay. Not too bad.
About exactly, man.
Yeah, good for acclimatizing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tonight. And good for tomorrow.
I think we can have a
Tea, something.
tea or something up here.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Nestio.
Welcome, sir.
Nestio.
Sitting.
Ask him where he's going today.
I already asked.
Oh, where's he going?
Sitting.
Sitting.
Down to your village.
Up down भन्दिनु न
He always up down. He say up down. Going down, coming up. Going down, coming up.
Oh, okay.
He
Thank
say
you.
Up down, up down.
Yeah. I'm here at High Camp, and I'm at this new hotel called the Hotel Marti, and I'm going to have a conversation with the owner. Yeah, I'm here with the owner of the Marti Hotel, and first, can you tell us your name?
My name is Sanjay Sirchan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here.
How long have you owned this hotel?
Maybe 2 years.
2 years.
Two
Oh,
years.
so you built it during the COVID?
Yeah,
sorry.
at COVID time.
Yeah.
We built.
Yeah, business must be slow because of COVID.
Yeah, because of COVID, because of starting of some war, it's problem.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Well, so you must be hoping that
Yeah, I hope.
business picks up now that the COVID's kind of
Yeah, I hope. Just
gone away, we hope.
Let's hope.
Yeah. And what can you tell us about your hotel? Like, for instance, how much for a single room if I checked in here?
Per person, we charge 350.
250 rupees.
350.
Oh, 350 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of food do you serve here?
We serve Nepali food, some extra like pizza.
Oh,
spring
pizza.
roll, spaghetti.
Oh, gee.
However you want, then
Yeah.
we make.
Do you make, my favorite is Tibetan bread.
Yeah, we
You
make,
do?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I love Tibetan bread. Yeah.
If you want, then I call him to make.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah, me too.
And good luck with your
Yeah,
hotel.
thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
These guys harvesting slate rocks. These are used in construction of a lot of the homes and guest houses around here. Oh, he's prying that great big piece of slate out of there.
From Badal Danda, we hiked to Viewpoint. At Viewpoint, I performed a special ceremony for my father.
high camp. That must be, what, 700 meters up?
Yes.
Yeah. Woo.
Walking in the clouds. Here we are in the clouds. And prayers to my dad. Good morning, Eshtil.
Good morning, sir.
Well, this is our last day.
No, this is not our last day. This is our last day on 360.
At the 360 degree hotel. And now we're heading down to
Forest camp.
Forest Camp. Now, how long will that take?
2.5, 3 hours. 3.5, I think.
Okay.
Well, folks, that's the end of the Mardi Himal trek for us. We're heading down to Landruk. I just want to thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Namaste.